Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two travelers app management, which is TripIt and Tripsy. So let's quickly get started. Before we get started, always ensure and always know that this review is based on collective data. So let's quickly get started. TripIt is the go-to app for travelers who want everything organized automatically. It puts pool, flight, hotels and car details straight from your emails and build a clean, ready-to-go itineraries. It's great for business or frequent travelers, offering a real-time flight alert and calendar synchronization. However, most advanced features sit behind the Pro plan and the interface feels a bit outdated. Tripsy, on the other hand, focus mainly on beautiful designs and flexibility. You can plan, share, track your trips visually with friends or family. Plus, it supports expense tracking and offline access, while it's mortal on Apple device and its real-time updates aren't as strong as TripIt. However, TripIt wins for automation and reliability, but Tripsy takes the crown for designs and collaboration. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.